Hello, this is Stephen Cash from the Steady State. This is a Steady State brief. I want to talk for a second about the 25th Amendment. What is it, and why should we be thinking about it? There are only a couple of ways that a president can leave office without having an election and just the end of the term. Obviously, a president can die, and that's happened before. A president can be impeached, and a president can be removed temporarily or permanently under the 25th Amendment. A lot of people are talking about the 25th Amendment. It's designed to deal with the situation where a president is incapacitated. It is not an alternative to impeachment. And a lot of people seem to be thinking that the 25th Amendment is sort of a real quick approach to replace impeachment. It's not. So let's talk about it a little bit. In the comments, the first comment is going to be a fabulous Congressional Research Service report, easy to read, that explains the 25th Amendment. But what's the difference? An impeachment requires Congress to act. The impeachment is brought in the House of Representatives and then is tried in the Senate. And the question there is, did the president commit high crimes and misdemeanors? And it's not exactly sure what high crimes and misdemeanors actually means. It clearly means if you've the president has committed a crime, but it also could mean not following the Constitution. We really don't know. There's no real court cases on that. The 25th Amendment is a little bit different. It requires action by the Congress or by the cabinet or by an entity set up by the Congress in law. And in fact, Congressman Jamie Raskin has introduced legislation just yesterday to do exactly that, which talks about the president being unable to carry out his duties. We've only really confronted this a few times in the past. Woodrow Wilson, Dwight Eisenhower, President Reagan, after the assassination attempt, which rendered him incapacitated for a short amount of time. It's never really been used in a meaningful way, but it is not an alternative to impeachment. So I strongly encourage people to take a look at that CRS report. And if you don't know about the Congressional Research Service, it's a great resource. It's online, it's free, it's short form essays on pretty much everything you can think of that involves the government, written by experts associated with the Library of Congress. It's nonpartisan, and it is really, really helpful. If you're in school, it's a great tip when you get assigned a term paper. It's a great place to start. So thank you for listening, and I look forward to our next discussion together.